Anganba matamgi pambai sizinaduna mangkraba Iphut sing kannaba honaba yamnamak tangai fade haina Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. Brajakumar na phungdurukle. Director of Environment and Climate Change na Neriwalam Assam amade AC Wadam Puniga Kusamnaraga ngasidagi numit humdi chathagadaba Climate Resilience Spring Set Management Training Program hudokpagi tharom wafam asi phungdukladuna mahangna hai. Lamdam asigi aying asagi khalda chaun ahong lerakpa asina maram oiraga pat turel amade pukri na chingba kaya kangba horakpagi matakta Iphut kaya mangtharakpa asina ising fangbagi chaung walakhe jingjum dagi fangba ising na turel da ising piduna pat amade pukri kaya kanghandana thamlamba adu haujikti ikang thokle Manipur gi oina leiramba Iphut sing chada yangkhai nithoi di mangkhre jingi khungang kaya ising fangdabana maram oiraga khun hongba fawba yaunare Asigumba khudong thiba kaya asidagi kannabagi amata ngairaba pambaite mangtharakliba Iphut sing ase kanba natana atopa lambi leite upal marang kaina thajinba nongi ising yokshinduna thamba lokchap singda dam macha macha sagatpa jungmai singda ising tungfam sembagi tangai phadaba lei ngalingai matamgi ahal singna tawramba traditional oiba wakhalon sing sizinaduna mangtharakliba Iphut sing kannam khonaminasi haina mahana phongdokhe Director of Environment and Climate Change da pangthokiba training program aduda horticulture PhD water resources amade line department singi thomi singa loinana NGO amade village representative punna miyoi nimfu romna saru yakhe
village dugi oiba Iphut singse ngak senanabagi mo training pibiba loin line department korga line department na kamdon Iphut convenience ge kari kan wakhalonda amadi kan convergence wakna hariba engineering practice torkana khoi Iphut community agege habi wakhan training program se line department ne community mayam laiba adi NGO adi faith based leaders sing moyam pullaga khoi training programs tawni khoi training program se ngasi sina tarak sub training program ni su makhlagi training mapan gum khoi tawkhre adu haji phawda punna yamda mi sani yang khai sahumugi sang da khoi training piraga sat karbane koina the stay training stagi khara thawai yawba khara haiba kamu jokona community resource person na khona appoint tawraga magi thagi pisa lamsum khara piraga akhoi disaster rate holanba adagi makai research zone khona practice solution je khona ngak selelaga monitor je khoi Iphut anamagi monitor je khoi tha khuding tawri hedare khoi da quality na kamai leri chemical pollution leibra leitabra adagi ising thobu chang handar pra hangar pra kai bagi adugi monitoring system je training te yauri